Welcome to Chandiyogg's Adaptive Learning Solutions, CALS. CALS is an educational platform which is providing world-class e-learning education. Our mission is to provide students with world-class education anywhere, anytime, and at any pace for a fraction of the cost of a physical class, without having to spend time, money, and effort in commuting. We strive to partner and win together with our students and aid them to become a successful professional. Our motto is to deliver high-quality education through the utmost modern format which every student deserves. CALS is determined to bring the benefits of e-learning education to the students and set a new benchmark in educational content by using high-definition videos, world-class animations, graphics, MCQs with latest technology. We strive to achieve sustainable growth that is driven by the success of our students who are targeting their Chartered Accountancy examination. CALS believes that every student is important and deserves high-quality education that is delivered in a modern format that is easy to use. Now let's look at some of the drawbacks of other study options. Let's talk about physical classes. They have always been expensive and time-consuming. Time-bound, as soon as the classes get over, the student has no time to recuperate with either of the faculty members. Planner is absent. Once a class is missed, it is not repeated. Lacking individual attention resulting in limited query resolutions. Exam writing skills are not given enough attention. Further, the next option is VSAT classes. Life does not change for students, since they have to travel and still not able to meet the faculty physically. Individual attention cannot be provided as classes run live on satellite transmission and streaming. These type of classes are prone to technical errors such as transmission failure, hazy broadcast and audibility issue. Then what's the option? The solution is here. Let's now get to know the features of CALS e-learning module. Anywhere, anytime, and at any pace learning makes this module very cost-effective and provides freedom of education. With the help of Study Planner, you can plan your studies according to your own convenience. MCQs, FAQs, practice questions, and mock tests help in self-evaluation and enhance exam writing skills. Content is reviewed by experienced faculty and team of experts. And not just that, one-to-one interaction with faculty through webinar and mails. You have paucity of funds? Well, loan option is also available. There are two modes in which our course can be availed. Tablet mode via Android and Windows mode, that is through a pen drive. Benefits to business associates. Entering the new tool of future learning as it is continuing its rigorous growth rate. A very wide and booming market resulting in higher returns on investment. Getting introduced to this market won't require a lot of infrastructure. We look forward in establishing relationship with our business associates. Let's join hands for a partnership that should be renowned as a stepping stone in the times to come.